Obaseki inaugurates Edo Road Safety Advisory Council. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki on Tuesday inaugurates Edo State Road Safety Advisory Council to coordinate transport matter, reduce accident for the state, especially during this festive season. The inauguration shele for inside Government House, Benin City. Edo State will get plenty transport interchange. The responsibility of this Road Safety Council, according to Governor Obaseki, now to coordinate road safety targets and to help drive implementation of the road safety sector strategy plan.
This council is one of the institutions recommended under the National Road Safety Strategy Plan. Even though it's part of the strategy plan, for us, it's beyond implementing the federal strategy plan. For us in Edo State, because we are a transport hub, we have perhaps a higher percentage of accident challenges than most other states. And at this time of the year, a lot of traveling taking place. We therefore need to realize that it's just beyond implementing the national strategy plan. It's about being prepared to deal with certain normal occurrences that will affect our people, particularly in this season and into the future. So the responsibilities of this council are first to help coordinate our road safety targets, to help drive the implementation of the road safety sector strategy plan, which copies will be made available to each and every one of you. And I expect that the Federal Road Safety Corps will make presentations to this council on a regular basis so we understand the targets that have been set in this national plan. And also, I believe that there still is possibility and room to make contributions into this road safety strategy document. I believe that as an advisory council, you're going to work and help the agencies to implement programs that are in the sector strategy plan. We have to enforce road safety regulations.
Obaseki still notes say as part of the Vision 2050, the Edo State 30 years development plan, section go dey for recommendations from the council for road designs, transport policy on top how to start to build Edo Transport Master Plan.
So as part of our Vision 2050, the Edo State 30-year development plan, there is a session tomorrow on where we want to start to build our transport master plan, which will tie into, so when we're needing the services, your knowledge from the National Road Safety Plan, there must be recommendations about road designs, transport policy, which we will need to bring into our own planning in Edo. And all of the work you need to do will cost money. So part of your responsibility will also be to source financing and make sure that the financing is judiciously spent. So the constitution of this council has been very deliberate. The deputy governor is supposed to chair, so it has one of the highest levels of visibility and authority in the state. The commissioner for transport, when we appoint one, will be works, roads, they build the roads, health, justice, education, finance, environment, planning, Society of Engineers, and the Road Safety Corps, Federal Road Safety Corps itself. So each of these MDs has a direct relationship and impact on how we use roads and the safety of those roads. So on that note, I want to now formally inaugurate and establish the Edo State Road Safety Advisory Council.
Other Ogbonge people wey tanda for this inauguration na Deputy Philip Shaibu, Federal Road Safety Corps members, plus public works volunteers. From Benin, Osatoame Ogbeide for TMC News.